This is Junkyard Revival. Really seeing what these products will do, and you can see the Old Men's metal polish didn't let us down. This is working incredibly on this. How lucky are we at 17? So one of actually the most popular thing we've ever done out here is metal polish. We have used it on trailers and diamond plate. One thing it's very popular to use it on, and what people probably use it on the most, is aluminum wheels, because everybody that has aluminum wheels knows how faded they get over time. So we seen a set earlier, we're gonna go find them and do it. We've also partnered with a great friend of ours. I'm sure if you're watching this, you've already seen him, but Old Man's Garage has a incredible YouTube channel. Before they were ever doing what they do now, they've always been racers. Him and Jack have always been good friends, raced back in the day before there was ever cameras around. They're just a great family. You need to watch them for sure. If you're into racing, you'll be into everything they do. But we partnered with him and made him his own metal polish called Old Man's Metal Polish. And it's become very popular, one, because of him and his following, and two, just how well it really works. So that's gonna be the product that we show on these wheels. Works great. Check them out. Old Man's Garage, we'll link it in this video. Just a very, very cool family to follow when it comes to racing and everything in between. So these are the wheels. You can see this. You can see how bad. I mean, that is, I don't even know. I don't know if it's going to truly do anything for that or not, because those seem to be maybe neglected for years now. Let me find a stool or something to sit on. This is another exclusive. This is called the SEMA 2024 stool. Very sturdy and durable. So I'll make some room so Abby can get in here. This is the product, Old Man's Garage, Old Man's Metal Polish. We're gonna put it to the test. So this will either, this may make or break his YouTube channel right here. We'll see what kind of results we can get on a wheel that is really, really, really bad. If it doesn't work, it's not because of the product, it's because the wheel is just beyond gone. So, let's get to work. So that is a by hand application. A little bit of elbow grease. If you were doing this whole wheel, you would definitely want to use some kind of machine. But I believe it's going to have really made a difference and shined this thing up compared to what we were working with. It truly turns it to like a very, very chrome, very nice back to raw aluminum shine. That was just with one application. I'm going to hit it again, but you can already tell, I mean, this is something that is very, very bad. But by hand, a little bit of elbow grease, and with Old Man's polish, you're able to get those types of results right there on a wheel that you would not think that you could get anything out of by hand. You can tell the more you go at it, the better it is. This is like back like new. Just incredible how well it tears through all of this. I mean, you can see this is like, it won't come off. But that metal polish will bring back metal and aluminum. Just unbelievable results. If you had this on a wheel of some sort, you could tear right through this. If you're looking to restore metal, aluminum, copper, any kind of metal. This is Old Man's Metal Polish will definitely get the job done. And the results speak for themselves. We always say that the proof is in the results, and this is what we mean. This is a real world test in the most extreme conditions where there's no editing tricks, just us out here really seeing what these products will do. And you can see that Old Man's Metal Polish didn't let us down. Check. We're good? Yeah. So a lot of times metal aluminum pieces that you find that are really bad are underneath the hood. And this is something happened to the motor in this one, but this is a common area a lot of times on radiators up in, especially race cars. Bill actually brought a radiator out of Billy's car to the shop one day, and we hit it on it, and man, it was just unbelievable, which is what inspired him to actually do his own metal polish. We're going to do it on this here. Another good area we were trying to find was exhaust tips. There's hardly any out here that we've seen yet. I mean, I'm sure there is, but we haven't seen any. But exhaust tips is a very good thing that this metal polish will work great on. So we're gonna do this area right here. We'll get a close-up of what it looks like now, and then we'll show you the results afterwards. This is working incredibly on this. So by hand, no editing tricks, just a little bit Old Man's Metal Polish and a little bit of elbow grease, and you can turn what was old, faded aluminum into what looks like chrome now. Just crazy results out of a hand polish for metal polish. So bright, shiny, you can just tell the incredible difference. That's one application. There was no, you can see this, how bad and faded, and now just with one application of metal polish, it brings this back like new. So if you have metal, aluminum, copper, any types of metals that you need to bring back like brand new, Old Man's Metal Polish will do the trick. And grab a bottle. The perfect time to use our new product is probably now, because we've been using metal polish. We've been using Old Man's Metal Polish, and if anybody uses metal polish, you know the thing about it is it gets your hands super dirty from all the black and metal that you're making while you're taking all this stuff off. So we're going to go back to what we call home base, which is just a trailer out here in the middle of the junkyard, and we are going to use hand scrub. The only problem with it is you will not be able to smell the smells that we are going to smell, because man, it smells wonderful, and it will clean up my hands like nothing. So we'll get back here and show you just how well hand scrub works. Okay, new product, hand scrub. The only thing that I can say is put this in your garage. This is going to be a product that you want to have and you will continuously use. The results and the way that it makes your hands feel afterwards will be all that needs to be said for this product, because it's truly a one-of-a-kind hand cleaner. Like new. As you can see, the coolest part about it is it truly does leave a super soft feeling to your hands, but not overly like anything on them like lotion. I'm not a big lotion guy, but it leaves them feeling soft and super clean. Smells great. This is a must-have in any garage. Hand scrub.